What's up, guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, the number one YouTube channel for your online tricks and tutorials. If you're new to my channel, go through my previous videos and you'll be able to learn how to do surveys, how to set up your laptop, your mobile device, and how to answer some survey questions. So today, without wasting time, I want us to review another site called Prime Opinion. So let's go to search. Prime Opinion. So I want us to register an account, and I take you through the various steps you're supposed to do so that you can avoid getting banned. So this is a very new survey site called Prime Opinion. Everyone is talking about it, and it has various cash out options. As you can see here, they have PayPal, virtual Visa card, Amazon, and Apple gift cards. So they have various ways of registering. You can register using your email directory, or you can register through Google, through the Google Gmail, and also once you register, you can earn free $5. You can earn you can earn up to $5 per survey. And you can see under US location they have like 1,000 plus surveys available, and the average user earned is 11.37. So yesterday there is the average users in Prime Opinion earned around $11. So there's a site which you can be able to earn $10+ each day very easily, and the cash out minimum is around $5. And also when you sign up, they give a sign up bonus like this one. They give a sign up bonus of around $5. So let's sign up and see all the claims that they say here. You see whether it's real. So first of all, you create an account using Gmail. I'm going to use my Gmail here. I'm using my demo account. I cannot do a review video using my real account where I receive cash outs from, because most people are very bad. They just go to report my account and I get banned. So I'm using a demo account. So you just accept the terms and click continue. And we are in. So the first thing you get after signing up to Prime Opinion is this welcome bonus. So you have to be very careful here. If you're not very good in doing surveys, make sure you select the first one here, the first bonus of 100 points, because if you select the bonus of 100 points, for you to cash out you have to reach 500 points so that you can be able to cash out and get your reward. If you sign up with this bonus, they're going to give you 100 points immediately, but for you to cash out you have to redeem at 500 points. The same applies for the 200 points. If you click this one here, the most popular, they're going to give you straight 200 points, but for you to cash out you have to redeem a minimum of 1,000 points. And the biggest bonus here of 500 points, which is $5, is for the pro survey takers like me or others. If I click this one, I will immediately get 500 points, but I will only be able to cash out after hitting 2,500 points. So I'm going to click this one, whereby I will only be able to redeem at 2,500 points. So this one. So I'll be getting a free $5 just for signing up. So after you sign up, before even doing anything, you see I've gotten the 500 points, but I will only be able to redeem my rewards after reaching 2,500 points. That's when I'll be able to withdraw because of my welcome bonus rule. So after you register to Prime Opinion, the way I showed you through Gmail or whichever way, you choose your bonus reward, the first thing you're supposed to do is to start your first survey here. You read the rules. So they say you share your opinion, qualification. They tell you the rules and conditions of their site. So you go through their qualification, sincerity, privacy, and then click start survey. Then as usual, if you are in the USA, UK, Canada, just click you're in that particular country. Click next. Then that now this is the profile of now we are creating a profile for our Prime Opinion account which you have just created now. So you can say in a year, you can say 19, let's say 1980. Let's say 1980, let's say June 1st. So be 43 years old. This is just an example. So click next. How to create a profile on Prime Opinion. The age, of course, will be around 43, I think. Yeah. Click next. This is the normal survey profile, how we do it. For the zip code, always check where you are. You can use who.net to check where you are connected to. So for my case, I think is around 98 160. 101, like that. Click next. And that's how you create a survey profile on Prime Opinion. And then click enter. So this is how you complete the profile. Now I'm going to keep quiet and just follow my instructions. And that's how you complete your first profile on your first profile survey on Prime Opinion. It's very easy. So many people are having a problem of getting banned on Prime Opinion. The number one rule you're supposed to do on Prime Opinion, you should answer your survey questions honestly or honestly, whatever, depending on the country. And you should avoid using survey jumpers or survey bots when completing your Prime Opinion surveys, because they review submitted surveys and they are very thorough. Another thing, avoid using of rotation IPs that rotate after every 5 minutes or so, because they are very keen on IP changes. If the IP keeps on changing after every few minutes, you are going to be banned after you do later on in your account. So number one rule is to avoid jumping surveys on Prime Opinion. Number two is providing honest answers for those people who complete survey manually like me. Number three, try to get a rotating IP that rusts a bit longer before it rotates, or get a static IP that has a residential ISP and can open many survey panels. Also, if you have enough money, you can search on best VPS sites which provide ISP proxies, and you can be able to work well on Prime Opinion without any issue. The other condition on Prime Opinion is about number verification. They require verification using your real phone number. This means they don't accept VoIP numbers. They want non-VoIP numbers. If you're familiar in verification of online surveys, you know what I mean by saying they require non-VoIP numbers for verification. So when does they ask for verification? After you do, for example, now after you've created this account, if you do any 2 surveys The first form of verification they're going to ask us is the number verification. Then they're going to review your account for 24 hours. In case during those 24 hours they accept back your account and your IP has changed or has you're using a low quality IP, you never be able to complete any surveys from them. You always be getting, unfortunately, this survey is not available for you. So after number verification, or even doing number verification after you finish your first 2 surveys, make sure you have very strong IPs like the ones I explained earlier. A strong IP with a residential ISP, and can be there a rotating IP which lasts for a bit longer, or it can be a static IP with a residential ISP. Or if you're in the USA, you can use your mobile ISP with your local ISP providers. So those are the few rules that most people are getting problem on Prime Opinion, and most people are getting banned because they're using low quality proxies. Yeah, I know most of my users use proxies to do surveys. That's why I keep on saying they should use strong static proxies with good residential ISPs. So those are the few things you're supposed to note on Prime Opinion. And if you observe all what I told you in this short video, you're going to enjoy working on Prime Opinion. So guys, before even I wind up the video, let me show you my previous cash out from Prime Opinion on my other account. I decided not to do review on my main account because many people can report my account and they get banned. So let me show you my previous cash out. I posted it on this one. This is my previous cash out here. You see, this is my previous cash out. It was on July 19. The other one, yeah, these are the screenshots which I've made. You see, I cashed out $20 the other day, and then the other one I cashed out around $5. So Prime Opinion is real and they are paying. You can see my 2 cash outs, one for $20, which was through a tremendous link, and the other one is for $5. I can say confidently that Prime Opinion are very good and they are paying if you observe all the conditions which I showed you earlier. You can see they have very high paying surveys, even $3, $1, $3, $1. You can be able to do like 3 surveys and you reach $5, or you do 4 surveys and you reach $10 very easily. You can see the number of high paying surveys they have. You see, I think they are the highest paying surveys at the moment. You see, they have very high paying surveys. Yeah, so that's it. Let me show you now how the cash out options. So let's see the main rewards option. You see, they have you can ACH. This is you can cash out from directly to your USA bank account. That's the first option here. That's what it means. You can cash out through the PayPal. Just click whatever the reward you qualify for. You can cash out through Venmo. You see, if you have a Venmo account. Then they have gift cards like Adidas, Airbnb, and also they have a prepaid Visa card. And the minimum is around $1 for Visa card, $2. You see, for Visa card you can even cash out $1, $2, $5, depending on how much you have earned. Then they have a virtual Visa card. These ones here. Then they have donations. You can go through them here, and so many other charity donations. But I think most people will be cashing out for most of my viewers will not be doing donations. So virtual Visa card is there. Physical Visa card there. Sorry for the mispronunciation. Then they have like other gift cards. You see, they have Adidas, Airbnb, Amazon, and so many others. You can go through the rewards option and see what suits you. So guys, that's the short review about Prime Opinion. It's a very easy site to make $10 per day or even more depending with your capabilities and if you observe the rules that I showed you earlier. So thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.